I was listening to General Lucas kanina. You confiscated millions of pesos. Where's the money now?
As part of the evidence, Your Honor.
Paano mo
Nasa korte po.
masabi mo na evidence yan? At large ngayong Because under the law, you have to deposit that the following day.
Wala pong
Can
arrest,
you
Your Honor.
produce the 7 million to us?
Siguro kailangan nating sabihan yung korte, Your Honor.
Okay, that you deposited 2 million, 3 million, and so on and so forth.
Good morning, everyone. Mr. Chair, I would like to support the statement of Congressman Tulfo because I was once a city director of a certain city in Mindanao. And I was once a three-term mayors in Iligan City. Totoo po yung sinasabi ni Congressman Tulfo na kung hindi papayagan sa isang politiko, mayors, governors at that, ay hindi talaga magagalaw yung mga illegal gambling operators. Kasi sa pulis, kung hindi ka papayag sa gusto ng politiko, tapos pupunta pa sa regional director, immediately gagawan ka ng order na iparilib ka sa posisyon mo. Lalo na rin yung, Mr. Chair, yung hindi pa nakaabot ng 6 months, masisira yung career pattern nila. So dito, kailangan may tandem talaga ang city director, provincial director, mayors or governors. Kasi kung hindi ma-relieve, gawan man ng paraan. Alam yan ni General Francisco na pag hindi ma-relieve ng matiwasay, gagawa ng derogatory records yung certain city director, provincial director. Kung sino pa yung gagawa ng kabutihan, yun pa ang hahabulin. So, pag hindi ito Mr. Chair, na ang mga politiko at saka PNP ay hindi mag-uusap-usap, ay hindi talaga ito may stop, lalo na sa ground. Ang mayors naman, I was once a mayor. Kung during the time of Peace and Order Council meeting, magbigay ka ng instruction doon sa mga pulis mo na director. Ito ang gusto ko, huhulin mo lahat yung mga illegal gambling operator. So, magawa yan. Lalo na kung may suporta sa confidential fund or sa intelligence fund. So, kayang-kaya yan. Ang naman dyan, ang kinatakutan sa mga city director, provincial director, is ma-relieve sila dahil gagawa ng derogatory records papunta sa taas. Automatically, aaksyonan yung governors or mayors dahil medyo mas malakas ang politiko kaysa isang provincial director na ang rango ay full colonel, city director at that. Ay kung mamalasin pa, pati pa ang regional director, ma-relieve pa. So, ganun ang nakikita kong problema doon sa ground, Mr. Chair. That's all, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Yes, at marami namang marami tayong mga kaibigan na talagang willing silang mag-testify sa hearing na to at ibulgar nila ang lahat ng kanilang mga nalalaman, and that's the reason why we wanted to have this investigated because we have heard now this confirms because of the data that I've got, ay makikita po natin na talagang matataas po yung ating pong numbers ng illegal gambling sa Region 4A. So, before I recognize the NBI, Congressman Wiltel Parma, you want to say something?
Yes. A while ago, there was a motion inviting the regional director to be present on the next hearing. May I suggest that we will be on Thursday or Friday, since we have the committee of the whole, So we cannot, so that we have the whole day discussing this. And also, if we can invite all the law enforcement agencies within the region, for example, the NBI, since they are part of, para may check and balance din sila. Not only the PNP, but the NBI as well, and other law enforcement within the area.
Yeah. Okay. NBI, can you kindly tell us, anong...
Before
yeah, please.
I was listening to General Lucas kanina. You confiscated millions of pesos. Where's the money now?
Nasaan yan?
As part of the evidence, Your Honor.
Ano mo
Nasa korte po.
masabi mo na evidence niyan at large ngayong ano eh. Because under the law, you have to deposit that the following day. Bawal 'yon. So my question is, where's the money right now? Hindi naman lahat na na-confiscate ninyo na nahuli yung perpetrators or those engaged in illegal. But there are also na tumakbo, especially yung mga sabong-sabong, pagtakbo niyan, may pera. My question is, where's the money right now?
Yung mga cases na na-file through regular filing, ibig sabihin wala yung tao, Your Honor. Kasama po yung evidence confiscated doon sa sinasubmit po natin sa korte. So basically, yung mga confiscated na money is deposited sa court po, Your Honor.
How about the rest?
Wala pong the rest,
Can you
Your Honor.
produce the 7 million to us?
Siguro kailangan nating sabihan yung korte, Your Honor.
Okay,
It is not with us,
I'll
Your
make a
Honor.
motion to that. You submit that in the next committee hearing. I want certification coming from the court that you deposited 2 million, 3 million, and so on and so forth. Can you produce that? Or
We will try, Your Honor, to coordinate with the court, Your Honor.
yeah, because this is people's money eh. Baka, I'm sorry, I have a dirty mind. Baka, wala na yon. 2023 to 24 or 2020 pa. That's amounting to 7 million. So that's why I'm asking, where's the confiscated money right now?
We'll try to coordinate with the courts, Your Honor, kung
Okay.
saan po naka-file yung mga cases.
Pero sa palagay mo, General, lahat ba? May mga apprehension ba? For example, sa illegal sabong, di ba pagdating ng pulis, takbuhan yan lahat?
Opo, sir, pero may mga nahuhuli rin po, sir.
No. Ito lang ano, di ba pagdating ng pulis, takbo yan? May mga bet dyan sa loob.
Yes, Your Honor.
Saan dinilagay yung pera? Sa
Sir,
inyo?
Yung perang bet money, Your Honor.
Yes, na-confiscate kasi takbuhan na yon.
Sir,
Why
kasama
should
po,
I bother 1,000,
Kung,
2,000 pesos?
kung nakatakbo po yung tao, kasama na po yung perang naitakbo niya, pero yung mga nahuhuli po natin
No.
is...
I will disagree with you, General Lucas. Kasi pagtakbo ng tao, he or she don't mind the money that he put it there. Ang nasa mind niya, paano ako maka-escape? So yung pera na nandyan, I'm asking, where's the money? Kasi sa pera ng tao,
Your Honor, as one of
that
the...
should be deposited to the Bureau of Treasury eh. Anyway, can you submit that in the next when the next committee hearing
Yes, Your Honor.
with all the certification?
Yes, Your
7
Honor.
million yan
Opo.
as of ito.
Yes, Your Honor.
Otherwise, hindi naman ako magaling ng mathematics pero I know a little ano naman.
Yes, Your Honor,
Okay.
we'll do that.
Okay,
Thank
Arnie, pakisabit na lang po sa amin yung ating certificate. And
Yes,
at
Your
the same
Honor.
time,